Hello, friends. Ever felt like you're lost in the wilderness of computer problems? Well, fear no more. It's time to bid adieu to your tech woes with West LA Computer Expert. We're your tech-savvy neighbors, turning your computer nightmares into a dream. Now, you might be pondering, how simple is it to reach out and collaborate with them? Well, my friends, it's as simple as ABC. A. Just ring us up or shoot us an email. Our cordial customer service team is always on standby. B. We'll swiftly diagnose your issue and offer a crystal-clear solution. No tech mumbo-jumbo, that's a promise. C. Kick back and enjoy your coffee while our expert technicians do their thing. Your computer will be purring like a kitten before you know it. And the cherry on top? We're all about clear communication. You'll be in the loop every step of the way, so you're never left guessing. So, what are you waiting for? Reach out to West LA Computer Expert today and experience the simplicity and efficiency of our service. West LA Computer Expert, your tech woes stop here.